Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to replace the rear taillight and how to replace the bulbs on a 2009 Chrysler Sebring. This works from 2007 all the way up to 2010. To start, open up the trunk, then remove this cloth cover to get access to these black screws right here. So the taillight is held by only two black big screws. These ones, this is the one, and up here is the other one. So what you have to do, turn it anti-clockwise to unscrew the taillight. And here's the other one. And now what you have to do, now the taillight is completely loose and it's ready to be pulled out, but you have to do that carefully. I'll show you why. There are a couple of pins that can be broken if you don't pull it out straight. Here is the one, and up here is the other one. So I will show you from the outside as well. So you don't pull it here, but you have to pull it straight towards yourself. Now the taillight will be held right here with that pin. So what you can do, like gently use like a flat screwdriver or something like this, just to gently pry it out without doing damage to the paint on the car, to release from that pin. And once you do that, you can just pull the taillight straight out. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, that's it. Okay, and once you have it out, you have access to both of the bulbs. To remove this one, just turn it anti-clockwise, and with this one the same thing. And you can replace any bulb you need, or if you're replacing the whole taillight, that's pretty much everything you have to do. It's quite easy and straightforward, so that's good, I guess. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope this was helpful. Again, if it was, please give me your support, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.